Welcome the our channel. Today we how to improve analytics insights with Hotjar detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin improving your analytics insights with Hotjar, start by signing up for a Hotjar account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available features. Next, set up tracking on your website by installing the Hotjar tracking code. You can find this code in the installation section of your Hotjar dashboard. Copy the code and paste it into the header of your website. After installation, return to your Hotjar dashboard and click on the Heat Maps option. Create a new heat map by naming it according to your specific web page or campaign. Select the page you want to track and set the parameters, such as the number of page views. Next, save your settings and wait for data collection to begin. After you've gathered enough data, return to the Heat Maps section to analyze user interactions. Observe where users click most frequently and identify any unexpected behavior. Next, navigate to the Session Recordings feature to watch real user sessions. Create a new recording filter to specify the segments you want to observe. Analyze these recordings to see how users navigate your site and identify potential pain points. Now, move to the Surveys section to create a custom survey for your visitors. Choose the type of survey that best suits your goals, whether it's a feedback form or a specific question. Target the survey to specific pages or user segments for more relevant insights. Once your survey is live, monitor responses in real time on your dashboard. Finally, compile all your findings from heat maps, session recordings, and surveys. Use these insights to make informed decisions for website improvements and optimizations. Regularly revisit Hotjar to keep your analytics fresh and maintain a user-centric approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.